Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking the S25 on a sturdy tripod and switching to macro mode. This reduces shake instantly. Set aperture between f/5, 6 and f/11 to balance depth and sharpness, and keep ISO at 100-200 to avoid grain. Next, switch to manual focus and use live view to magnify the subject. This lets you fine-tune focus precisely. Once done, position a ruler or scale for reference and take a test frame. Then review focus at 100% before proceeding. Now refine lighting and focus to capture fine detail. You want soft, even light. Place a ring light or two small LEDs at about 45 degrees and diffuse them. This reduces harsh highlights and preserves texture. For greater depth, use focus stacking. Take 6 to 12 frames, shifting focus roughly 0. 5 to 1 mm between shots, and keep exposure constant. Finally, trigger with a remote or two's delay to eliminate camera shake. This ensures each frame is razor sharp for stacking. Finish by importing the sequence into stacking software and align, then merge to create one sharp macro image. You will see immediate gains in depth. After stacking, crop for composition, apply selective sharpening, and use targeted noise reduction on the background. Export at 300 dpi if printing. If the final image shows soft edges or halos, recheck your focus increments, make them smaller, and increase the number of frames by about 30%. That troubleshooting step fixes missed focus transitions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.